This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, I'm again repeating, like the Docker images, there are the different ways is available for the Docker images. Like a point one, you can just pull the image through a Docker Hub. You can also pull the image through a Docker Hub. The Docker Hub is store your all images. अगर आप अपने systems में, अगर आप अपने local system में अपनी images नहीं रखना चाहते हो, तो आप Docker Hub में अपनी images रख सकते हैं. This is the two types of repository, is the public and the private. Choice is your कि आप अगर आप public repository create करते हैं, तो anyone can access your images. But अगर आप private करना चाहते हो, तो आप private भी कर सकते हो. So first you can just pull the image via Docker Hub. अगर आपके पास images नहीं है, आप Docker Hub से अपनी images pull कर सकते हो. Second option is available, guys. Is it simply the second option is like create your custom image. आप अपनी custom image via Docker file भी create कर सकते हो. Like you are a developer, you can create a Docker file. और आपने Docker file को लिखा और Docker file के थ्रू आप अपनी images यहाँ पर create कर सकते हो. The third option is available. You can create a image via container. So container का मतलब है कि you can create a one container. आपने क्या करा, एक डिफॉल्ट इमेज के थ्रू एक कंटेनर बनाया और उस कंटेनर के अंदर आपने देखा यार दिस इज द ओनली इन विंडोज. अब आपने उस पे क्या करा, यू कैन इंस्टॉल लाइक nginx और सम डायरेक्टरीज एंड सम फोल्डर्स, यू कैन आल्सो इंस्टॉल द सम अदर सॉफ्टवेयर. और आपने क्या करा, ये सारी की सारी ऐप रेडी करने के बाद यू कैन क्रिएट अ वन इमेज और उस पर्टिकुलर इमेज से आपने क्या करा, एक न्यू कंटेनर डिप्लॉय कर. So these are the three one. One more option is available is Docker Compose. Docker Compose is just like a pipeline, की like a sequence में जो work होता है. Like first ये work हो, then ये work हो, then ये work हो, then ये work हो. So these all are the dependencies. कि यानी कि ये वाली pipelines आपका ये वाला work के बाद ही ये start होगा, और इसके बाद ये start होगा. तो इसके बाद ये direct start नहीं हो सकता. This is the wrong. So this is called a pipeline concept. So इसके लिए guys we are using the Docker Compose. So now first I'm just cover the Docker images. Now I'm just go to the portal and just log in with the account. And now submit, and the password is now sign in. Then I'm just launch the instance in Mumbai locations, Amazon Linux. I'm using the Amazon Linux. Now next. Put the size of 10 GB. Give the name is called a Docker engine. And now the next, I'm select the existing security group, review and launch, and now I'm select keep here, and now launch. Now guys, the first of all, I'm just two ways. Simply here I'm just create one instance in AWS cloud. After that, I'm just install a Docker engine. I'm install the Docker engine, and after that, I'm just creating the Docker engine. I'm just pull the image from Docker Hub. Guys, इसके बाद मैं I'm just pull the image. First point कि मेरे पास कोई images नहीं है, so now I'm pull the image from a Docker Hub, जो कि default image होगी. Like I'm just pull the nginx image. So now I can pull the image. Docker Hub. Now, when I pull the Docker image through the Docker Hub, so now that this image saved in my system. तो जो इंजन एक्स की इमेज है गाइस, वो इंजन एक्स की इमेज मेरे पास यहाँ से इसकी एक कॉपी मेरे पास यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर सेव हो जाएगी. दिस इज माय इंजन एक्स इमेज. गॉट इट द पॉइंट? ऑप्शन नंबर 1. Now, after that, this is the default image. Now I'm create one more image. So now I'm create another image. Like I'm just create a one file. I'm create a one Docker file. I'm create a one Docker file. This is my Docker file. And now I'm create a one more image through a Docker file. So like this is my another image. It's called like a file image. I'm give the name of like a file image. Now I'm create a one container, like I'm create a one container with the Nginx. Now I'm create a one Nginx container. I'm just create this container through this image. But now I'm added the something of this image, and now I'm also create an image through a container. Got it the scenario, guys? Everyone, guys, please reply. Got it the concept? हम क्या करने वाले हैं? So now the code is simple side. Like first we can just pull the image through the Docker up. Second, I'm create another image through the Docker file. Now third image, I'm create a third image through the container. तो सेम ही कॉन्सेप्ट है जो मैंने आपको प्रीवियसली यहाँ पे बनाया है. So now I'm just log in with a Docker. So I'm just copy and now just looking with what is the key pair name, guys? Just a minute. Linux home one. And now I'm just sudo space su hyphen and yum update hyphen y. Now clear. Now check w yum inst install docker. First I install the Docker engine. Okay, first I install the Docker engine. After that, WHICH, which DOCKER Docker. This is a location now SERVICE service DOCKER Docker. Start. And now service Docker status. So now you can see that my service is in active state. Now clear. Now after that, guys, simply first you can see the docker docker images images. There's no any images that are available. How to pull image? So like a docker docker pul pull. I'll give the image name is like a nginx nginx. And now it's pulled the one image through a now like after that we can see the again docker image. So you can see it's pulled the one image nginx image through a docker hub. Second option is available. You can create an image through a docker file. When you create an image through a docker file, first you can create a docker file. So now how to create a docker file? Like simply I'm create a one docker file. So I'm also create a docker file in a previous lecture. So now how to create a docker file? Just simply guys, I'm just create a simple small docker file like docker. So sorry, vim or like a touch. First I'm create a blank file. So we're using the command of touch and then give the docker file. When you create a docker file, the docker file D is capital and docker file. Now I'm added this file. So it's simply how to edit this file. You can type the vim and docker file. Now enter, and now we have typed the from i4 insert from is equal to like ubuntu. I'm asking whether the Ubuntu image is available. So that where we have create like a docker. I'm create an image, so I'm create a Ubuntu image. Or inside the image, I'm asking there the one volume is also create automatically. And now the volume name is called India wall. So just a minute, guys. So guys, now I'm just create our name is like Docker wall India wall one. तो wall one का मतलब I'm create one volume. मैं चाहता हूँ अगर मेरी एक image बनती है तो उस image के अंदर automatically मेरा एक volume भी हो जाए. Now escape colon WQ and now enter. And now how to create image? So you can see guys here. If I'm create an image, here is created two image. One first is you can pull the image through the Ubuntu. अगर already Ubuntu image मेरे पास होती तो ये Ubuntu image create नहीं करता. ये like I'm just change the file. I'm just change the some file like first I'm create this one, then I'm asking to another part. So now how to create image? So guys, simply you can just type the command how to create image through a Docker file. You can type the docker build -t and -t के बाद give the image name. So like I'm just give the image name like my image image1, or you can put the dot that means with the अगर आप dot नहीं लगाएंगे it's not called, it's not search, it's not find the Docker file. So डॉकर यूज होता है ये आपकी लोकल रेपोजिटरी से, लाइक लोकल का मतलब है कि आपकी जो डायरेक्टरी है जहां पर आपने अपनी डॉकर फाइल रखी है वहां से वो ऑटोमेटिकली डॉकर फाइल को बिल्ड करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. नाउ पुट द इंटर. So you can see it's just first you can pull the image from or now it's create a new image. Now you can see like docker docker images images. You can see that at this time there the three images are available. Now first it's create a Ubuntu image and then it's create a new image with the name of my image. But guys, simply if you can go like if you can see like I'm edit the docker file again like vi docker file, or like if I'm just put the at this time here I'm put the for insert I'm just put the nginx nginx, and now the I'm just type the like slash, or inside the slash is create one new volume with the name of ICCP, and now is it escape colon wq, and now I'm just run the again file like with the name of like image2, and now enter. So now guys you can see that it's create immediately image, because at this time it's not pull the image from the Docker Hub, because the already Docker Hub they have already the image is available in my local system. So that's why it's not pull the Nginx image. But the Ubuntu image is not available in my system. That's why it's just first you can pulling the image and then create the new image. Got it the point everyone? Guys, दोनों फाइल्स में डिफरेंस पता लगा आपको क्या हुआ कि अगर ऑलरेडी आपके पास इमेज है तो ये पुल करके नहीं लाएगा, उसी इमेज से ही नई इमेज क्रिएट कर देगा. बट अगर वो इमेज आपके पास नहीं है तो फर्स्ट यू कैन सर्च दिस इमेज इन अ पर्टिकुलर डॉकर रेपोजिटरी, देन पुल द इमेज एंड देन क्रिएट अ न्यू इमेज. रवि, विकास, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now guys I'm moving the next. So this is my second options. This is the second options. Now I'm pull the image through a Docker Hub, and now I'm create a second image through a Docker file. Now I'm create a container, guys. I'm created two containers with the both two images. So how to create container? I'm just click on portal, and now clear. You can see the docker docker images images. The Docker images are available, and you can see the docker docker containers. So docker ps. There is no any container docker ps hyphen a. There is no any stop container. That means there is no any containers are available currently. So now how to create a container? Now I'm just create a container. I'm just type the command docker run space hyphen it. So hyphen it and give the name hyphen name name. I'm just give the name of like a web server server. Now I'm create a container name is called a web server, and give the image name is called like a hyphen p, and p is called a port number, and I'm just put the port number is 80:80. Now space give the image name. So there's the image is available is here is Nginx, and now there is one more image is available, image2. So now I'm using the my custom image. Image is my image2 and like slash bin slash bas and bash. So now guys I'm using this, and
This
so
conference will now be recorded.
docker run hyphen it hyphen name web server hyphen p 8080 my image. So 80 का मतलब है this is the your container port, or this is your physical base machine port, and now put the enter. So now you can create a one container, or you can see the inside the container. If I'm tap the ls, you can see inside the ls there the one volume is already created with the ICCP volume 1, जो कि मैंने अपने कस्टमाइज इमेज बनाई थी. And now when you change the you can change the anything else. So like I'm just go to the copy the public IP and go to the browser and now enter. So wait, colon 8080. Sorry, not in 8080. Now I'm create a one more container, guys. Like I'm just exit from this container. And now I'm create one other container like with the name of nginx nginx. Container name is nginx and like maybe the hyphen capital P and the port number is 80 colon 90 colon 80 or give the name is like image name is nginx and bin slash bash. The port number it is already used. Is it like 80 colon 90? What happened? File ports already used. क्यों बता रहा है? The full access denied. The repository authority may be required or Docker login denied. Request access to the resources denied. Wait, case segment does not exit of any requirement. Wait. Clear DOCK Docker images images. And now we can type the DOCK Docker run hyphen IDD hyphen name with the name of like web2 hyphen p colon port number is called and put the port number is like 91 colon 91 and the nginx nginx. So now here I'm create a one container. If we can type the container like a con docker docker ps hyphen a. So only there the one container is running with the name of nginx. I'm also create a one container with the my image too. Like I'm type the docker start. The image name is like this is a container name, container image. Now enter. So guys, I'm creating the two container. I'm creating the one container with the name of I'm create a one container with the name of like nginx, and now I'm create a second container is like with the my image too. And now I'm just go to here, and you can just refresh it. And now also I'm just come to where not my container is open. What is the IP? 1 minute, guys. Colon 91. So it's not open in a publicly, guys. So wait, it means public port open नहीं हो रहा मेरा. Just a minute, guys. I'm just Docker start. Nginx. Now I'm just login with a container. So docker docker exec execute and execute hyphen it space, give the name of the container ID or container name like dot bash bash and docker docker start nginx, yeah, servic service start and nginx, yeah. Nginx. What happened? Guys, when I'm just forget the command of the how to start the Nginx service. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. I'm just exit and the start Nginx. There's such as no such container is equal to Nginx where to start the container in Nginx. So docker co1 container. चलिए गाइस, मैं अभी आपको बताता हूँ वैन एक्सेस, मैं नेटवर्किंग पार्ट बताऊंगा तब मैं कवर करूंगा। मैं एक्चुअली गाइस चाह रहा था कि आपके ना ये एंड टू एंड ओपन भी हो जाए, but it's not open. Why I don't know. But simple type. I'm just again trying incognito window and I colon wait. Again try an incognito. Maybe due to cookies it's not open in my system. So guys, anyone, आप लोग try करेंगे क्या अपने end पे? You can just copy the public IP and just go to the incognito and then paste. No, it's not working. Colon 91. Because guys, I'm creating two container. I'm creating two Nginx container, but there's no any container is running. Just check the proxy settings. Now I'm just check again. But it's not clear, guys, how to create image through a Docker file and how to pull image. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, I'm just logging with one container. You can see there I'm creating the two containers. Or now, like I'm just logging with the one container, like like a docker ps-a. That means there's a two container are running, and now I'm just logging with the one container. I'm logging to the any container. Like how to log in, like simply docker exec execute hyphen initialize terminal it, and like they give the container name. Like I'm just put the container name is called like this one, and after that I'm just type the bash command. And now here I'm just work the some command like a mkdir, like like a mkdir, like with the name of like the Ravi and like a Vikas. And now I'm just create a touch touch, and now I'm also create some other file like I'm just touch like a cover and like a Vipul. Now guys, I'm create some data. तो guys यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ डेटा, यहाँ पे कुछ फाइल्स मैंने बनाई है विकास, विपुल, कवलप्रीत और आप सभी के नाम से. एंड नाउ गाइस आई एम जस्ट क्रिएट अ कंटेनर. मैं अब चाहता हूँ कि जो ये मेरा कंटेनर मैंने रेडी करा है, लाइक आई एम आल्सो इंस्टॉल लाइक yum instll install, या इट इज आई एम देख द लाइक ओएस रिलीज कि कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स का कंटेनर मेरे को बनाया. तो आई नो दैट इज द ubuntu. आई एम यूजिंग द ubuntu. So this is my ubuntu. So like I'm see like os release version. So like if I'm check the os release version, you can type the command cat /etc/os hyphen release. So you can see it's with the Debian family. That means it's the ubuntu. So it's a Debian family and these are Linux of Debian, name of the Debian. So now I'm just clear. We can type the command apt inst install apache apache 2 apache तो क्या बोला था build packet yeah so before this I'm just update the container repository so like the apt-get update -y. Now first I'm update the repository and now I'm just type the command apach apache 2-t and now it's not working apt-get install -y. So now here is install the Apache web server in this system, in this container. So now I'm install the Apache in like a which Apache 2. So now you can see the Apache is already installed. So now I'm just go to here incognito and now we can type and refresh. And now I'm type is called 80. No, it's not publishing my WhatsApp. So guys, these all functions I'm create like I'm install the some packages, I'm create some folders. So आपने क्या करा एक कंटेनर बनाया उस कंटेनर पे अपनी सारी की सारी कस्टमाइज सेटिंग्स करी लाइक यू आर अ डेवलपर और डेवलपर ने क्या करा कि आपके पास एक प्रोजेक्ट आया तो आपकी कंपनी ने क्या करा उन्होंने कहा कि आपको जो भी प्रोजेक्ट का जो भी XYZ वर्क करना है तो आपको क्या करना है यू कैन क्रिएट अ कंटेनर उन्होंने एक कंटेनर बना दिया अब उन्होंने बोला कि आपको जो भी चीज टेस्टिंग वगैरह व्हाटएवर जो भी चीज करनी है इसी कंटेनर पे तो आपने क्या करा आपने अपनी डिपेंडेंसी सॉफ्टवेयर जितने भी डिपेंडेंसी सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायर्ड है वो सारे के सारे सॉफ्टवेयर आपने बना दिए देन फाइनली आपने जो अपनी एक एप्लीकेशन बनाई थी जो भी व्हाटएवर लाइक हमने एक अपाची सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया वी कैन इंस्टॉल द अपाची सॉफ्टवेयर इन दिस सिस्टम इस सिस्टम पे हमने वो अपाची सॉफ्टवेयर भी इंस्टॉल कर दिया नाउ जब कंप्लीट टेस्टिंग हो गई तो अगर हम खाली सॉफ्टवेयर देंगे तो एरर आएगा दिस डिपेंडेंसीज बट अगर गाइस मैं इंटायर इसी पूरे कंटेनर की इमेज बना के दे देता हूं तो शायद मेरे पास कोई भी एरर नहीं आएगा गॉट इट द प्रॉब्लम्स कहां पे आ रही थी पहले प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी कि डेवलपर ने जो अपना सिस्टम यूज करा था तो डेवलपर अपना सिस्टम कर रहा था उसने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर को सिर्फ शेयर करता था बट नाउ
एनवायरनमेंट भी आपने शेयर कर दिया ना
बट अब हमने वो एनवायरनमेंट वो पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म ही शेयर कर दिया जिस पर डेवलपर ने बैठ के काम करा था क्योंकि डेवलपर के एंड पे तो कंफर्टेबल होके चल रही है इमेजेस तो द ऑल डिपेंडेंसीज
ये जो कंटेनर होते हैं कंपैटिबल साइज होता है क्या
हां
ये जितना यूज करेंगे उतना ही साइज बनेगा
बिल्कुल तो नाउ गाइस हाउ टू क्रिएट
कुछ लोकेशन नहीं
या बिल्कुल so now how to create image through a container so just I'm just clear and now I'm just exit from this container and now I'm just start this container so I'm just type the docker ps and now I'm start the container like a dock so like the both container are running so now I'm create an image for like this container so how to create an image is a simple command that docker commit commit so this is a command for create a container तो अगर आपको किसी भी कंटेनर के साथ करने और गिव द कंटेनर नेम like I'm just give the container id or container name and put the like con-image image1 and now I'm also type the command is image1 so guys you can see कि अब docker images so at this time you can see there the one more images con image1 and now this con image1 is a copy or like a cloning of this like जैसे हम AWS के अंदर IAM बनाते थे ना Amazon मशीन इमेज की कस्टमाइज इमेजेस बनाते थे कि हमने क्या करा एक वर्चुअल मशीन बनाई और उस वर्चुअल मशीन की क्लोनिंग कर ली गाइस गॉट इट द पॉइंट कैप्चरिंग कर ली इसी तरीके से यहाँ पर क्या है कि हमने इस कंटेनर को कैप्चर कर लिया है। तो कैप्चर का मतलब है कि अब इस कंटेनर के अंदर जो भी सेटिंग्स थी उन सबकी मिरर कॉपी एक इमेज बना दी। एंड नाउ वी हैव क्रिएट अ न्यू कंटेनर। तो लाइक आई एम क्रिएट अ न्यू कंटेनर। तो अगर मैं नया कंटेनर अब क्रिएट करता हूँ गाइस, तो आई एम क्रिएट अ न्यू कंटेनर वाया दिस पर्टिकुलर क्या बोलते हैं इसको, पर्टिकुलर इमेज। तो मैं इस पर्टिकुलर इमेज के थ्रू नया कंटेनर यहाँ पे बना सकता हूँ। सो लाइक डॉकर रन -id td space -name is like a container one web. This is the name of the container one web one, and now the name is like hyphen capital P small. I'm just try again like 8080 colon 8080 or give the name of image. So what is the image name is con image one. This is my image name, and now bash bash. So enable to find image. What is the pull access is denied from daemon pull. cncon hyphen image one and bash. Yeah, so now guys you can see that this time the container is created. So guys hyphen p small hi aayega, and either I'm create a one more container with the like a container one is it web 2, and now you can put the IPs. Here is container name. I'm change the container name, or now I'm put the is it like a 81 colon 80. Now I'm created two container, and I'm just execute with this container. So like a docker docker ps hyphen a. You can see sorry docker ps hyphen a. So you can see here at this time there the four containers are running with the name of container one, container image. These are the images are used by the container, and the what is the container ID. These are the container IDs is available, and you can see I'm just small this screen. So you can see the web name like a web 2, container 1, web 1. So these are the images files are available. Now you can execute, or either we will check it. Yes, man, again port number set करा है यहाँ पे. Now again I'm check. It's like port number 69 colon 81. No, it's not open, but so just a minute guys, I'm just check the security group also. Okay, मेरे security group से तो block नहीं है protocols. So I'm just go to the security group and like click here and like edit inbound rule. Here is the all traffic is already allowed. So why it's not open HTTPS? Because it's not working now. So don't worry guys, I'm just move to next. So is it clear guys? Or now I'm execute like a docker docker exec execute hyphen it and give the container name is like I'm using this container name or container ID. You can use anyone. And now bash bash. And now we can tap the ls command. You can see the Vikas, Vipul, these all data is available inside the container. Concept the clear? Guys, so these are the three way. Like you can deploy the multiple work. Like you can आप एक मल्टीपल वर्क अपना करना चाहते हो कि आप चाहते हो कि एक साथ आपके काफी सारे काम हो जाए, तो हाउ टू यूज या आप किस तरीके से वो सारा का सारा वर्क करेंगे. So like simply clear, I'm just clear or like exit, and now we are using the Docker Compose. तो उसके लिए अगर मैं एक साथ काफी सारे काम करना चाहता हूँ, तो गाइज उसके लिए we are using the Docker Compose. So now first I'm install the Docker Compose. So now I'm just go to the install Docker Compose. Like how to install Docker Compose. So Docker Compose is another tool is available. It's simply the Docker install in a Linux, and you can type the command. Is it this one command is available? So this is a command for like it's just download the Docker. So the install the Compose of the Linux systems. We can just copy this URL and now just run in this machine. Second command is available. Is apply the execution permissions of this. This is a location of Docker Compose chmod. We have just give the execution permission for this the Docker Compose. And then the third option is available is called sudo in USR bin compose and then Docker Compose. So now I'm install the Docker Compose and I have to put the permission. Now you can check the Docker Compose version. You can check the command is Docker Compose -- version. So at this time we are using the Compose version is 1.29, and you can see the DOCKER Docker version. So guys, the Docker Compose basically used for the multiple work. So like the Docker Compose is used the 1.29 and we are using the Docker version 20.10. Now the use how to use the Docker Compose. So when you use the Docker Compose, you can create a one file with the name of Docker Compose. तो अगर आपको करना है तो आपको एक डॉकर फाइल भी बनानी पड़ेगी, और ये डॉकर फाइल होगी ना गाइस, दिस फाइल इज क्रिएट विद द सेम नेम ऑफ डॉकर कंपोज. तो डॉकर कंपोज के नाम से ही आपको क्या करनी पड़ेगी, ये फाइल अपनी क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी. तो लाइक अगर आपको नहीं आती है कि हाउ टू क्रिएट फाइल, यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली सर्च द फाइल हाउ टू क्रिएट अ डॉकर कंपोज फाइल. तो सिंपली how to create create DOCK Docker COMPOSE compose file. Okay, simple सा, you can just overview of the Docker Compose या who use of Docker Compose या create a Docker Compose. So you can find out here. तो आप यहाँ से find out कर सकते हैं कि आपको जो फाइल बनानी है ना वो बेसिकली कंपोज के नाम से होनी चाहिए. So like is create the one directory the compose and go to the inside the directory is create a file. तो यहाँ पे ये उन्होंने अपनी एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखी हुई है. So now I'm already creating a file. I'm just go to the my Git repository, or inside the Git repository I'm already create a one file. So you can see the just go to the data. Inside the data I'm just click on Docker. So this is my Docker compose.yaml. So this is my file is available with the name of docker-compose.yaml, or inside the file I'm create a script. So this is my script जो मैंने script इसके अंदर लिखी हुई है guys. So this is my script for like a Docker Compose script. So like here is these are the scripts are available. Now I'm just copy this script Control C, and now I'm create one file with the file is docker-compose.yaml. So now I'm just come to here and type the touch in like the DOCKER docker-compose compose.yml YAML or like VIM and like a docker compose.yaml. And now I for insert and I'm just paste the command. I'm just copy this script and paste. So guys, in this script मैंने क्या लिखा है? The version 3 service this the container. It's create a one container with the name of Ashish. और आशीष के अंदर वो क्या करे? इंजन एक्स लेटेस्ट नाम का और उसके अंदर पोर्ट जो अलाउड कर दे 90:80. Second, it's create a one more container with the name of Jenkins, or now also it's create a one more container with the name of Cunibab. So now you can change and change the name like I for insert. I'm type the like it's create one container with the name of like Ravi. Or like I create another like Vipul, and like let's create a one more container with the name of like a Vikas. And now guys, it's simply I'm just keep colon WQ. Or inside these container like we can type key a worksheet मैंने यहाँ पे define कर दे colon WQ. And now you can just simply command DOCKER docker com compose up. You can type this command is docker compose. Wait a minute. The docker-compose up. So we can type this command. So it's kind of cannot find the suitable configuration file in this directory or any parent. Are you in the right directory? So docker-compose. So I'm just write the command is capital D कर दिया guys मैंने वहाँ पे. So I'm just clear and just again type the command is vtouch and DOCKER docker-compose compose.yml. I'm create a one file and like I'm just at the cat docker compose, and now I'm just copy this code for the previous control C, and now I'm just go to where okay docker compose के spelling फिर से DOC touch DOCKER docker compose.yml VIM. Now skip colon WQ and now type the docker compose up. And now guys, it gives the YAML scanner error while the scanning a quota scalar in docker-compose.yaml.
सर ये विकास के बाद ये आई थिंक बंद नहीं है ना 80 वाला.
एक मिनट चेक. Get VIM DOCKER docker line number 16 colon number 25.
ये 100 के बाद जो है ना 80 है ये बंद नहीं है. लास्ट में सबसे लास्ट में
between inverted comma आएगा यहाँ पे. Now skip colon WQ. And now guys, you can see that pull the images and create all containers. तो यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने वहां पे एक टास्क दिया है multiple task create a 3 container. तो यहाँ पर ये 1 by 1 क्या करेगा, पहले यहाँ पे देखिए जेंकिन की इमेज ये पुल कर रहा है, ठीक है ना। तो सारी इमेजेस, जो भी इमेजेस नहीं होंगे वो सारी इमेजेस पुल करेंगे। पुल करने के बाद एवरीथिंग, वो सारी की सारी चीजें उस कमांड्स के अकॉर्डिंग, उस डॉकर कंपोज के अकॉर्डिंग डिप्लॉय करेंगे। सेकंड देखिए वो अब आईसीसी पे इन्फोटेक वेब, ओमिका वेब जो कि मेरी रेपोजिटरी है वहां से पुल कर रहा है, क्योंकि मेरे सिस्टम में तो है ही नहीं। एंड सेकंड इट्स क्रिएट लाइक इट गिव द बिपुल, तो इसमें एक कंटेनर के अंदर एरर दे वाला ब्रिंग अप द प्रोजेक्ट। तो यहाँ पर एक है द पोर्ट इज ऑलरेडी एलोकेटेड, द पोर्ट नंबर 8080 क्या हो रहा है, ऑलरेडी एलोकेटेड हो रहा है, तो इसलिए इसने गिव द एरर। तो बट यहाँ पे देखिए अगर हम टाइप करें तो लाइक docker डॉकर ps-a, तो यू कैन सी कि इसने यहाँ पर मेरे कंटेनर्स तो बना दिए। गॉट इट गाइस, इट्स क्रिएट माय कंटेनर एंड नाउ यू कैन चेक कि अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं विद द नेम ऑफ कंटेनर, so you can see कि इसने यहाँ पर एक बनाया द बिपुल जेंकिन। So Vipul Jenkins नाम के, so I'm just added the same port number again, I'm just added the file and now here I'm just see कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्या करता हूँ, I'm remove the first all container colon wq, first I'm remove the all container, so just you can type the dock here docker ps. Now these all containers are available and like a dock here docker stop. And now first I'm just remove the all containers or stop the all containers. This is the container IDs. So ports मेरे conflict कर रहे हैं. Now I'm just put the container IDs. So now first I'm stop these all containers. And after that I'm just delete these all containers. So like I'm just type the command is rm. And now you can see the docker docker ps. So there's no any container is available. Now I'm just type the command here at this time the vi docker compose hyphen up. Then you can see कि guys at this time already images is available. Got it my point? हमारी इमेज ऑलरेडी पड़ी हुई है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी पहले पुल कर चुका था, तो दोबारा इसने पुल नहीं करा। तो अब ये क्या कर रहा है, डायरेक्टली इट्स क्रिएट अ कंटेनर। गॉट इट द पॉइंट एवरीवन? Kawalpreet, everyone. Now you can see when you check the container, you can see the my repository file. I'm just go to this machine and I'm just first of all the port number 90 is Nginx, 8080 for Jenkins, and the 100 port number for like Omeka Web. Now I'm just come to here and now I'm just type the like a 90 port number. You can see here the Nginx is working perfectly. Now this is the small things. Now you can just I'm just copy, and now if I'm just type the port number 100, I'm just also the one port number is colon 100. Now you can see you the 100, this my website is also working, and now you can see is it called like port number is 88 is for the Jenkins, because I'm also deploy the Jenkins. You can see that my Jenkins is also run. So there the three different tasks is running in my same container. Like Jenkins is also installed in this container. Like one web server is available, and like welcome. When you edit the any web server or anything else, so you can just go to the manually. You can just log in with the container. So how to edit? Like you can edit the any container. You can just simply. I'm just open the. I'm just open in I'm just open the duplicate session, and now sudo space su space hyphen, sorry, and now clear, and now docker docker ps-a. You can see that the 3 container are running, and now you can just edit the nginx. So like I'm just type the command docker ex execute -it, and now I'm just give the container ID or the container name, anything else, and now bash. And now you can type the ls, or inside the ls what is the location of the nginx. So guys, what is the location of nginx? last time भी हम लोगों ने nginx की location ढूंढी थी. So anyone, कोई बताएगा what is the location of nginx? So like the nginx location is available anyone guys? मैं तो यार बार बार बोल जाता हूँ, आप लोगों को तो याद रहेगा. Yeah, is it? No, it's not a location of nginx. Guys, कोई बताएगा nginx की location? Anyone? Research. Is it the USR share nginx HTML? Now this is the location. Control C, and I'm just come to here. No, I'm just type the command of cd. And now ls. So this is a location, but this is my container. So now I can just type the command like vim index.html. So it's not found vim command. So like the apt-get instll install vim -y. So it's not installed because first I'm just update apt-get update -y. When it's update, then the other commands is running. apt-get install vim is running, and after that you can just edit the nginx file vim indexes, or like you can type i4 insert welcome to my ICCP Info TECS Tech YouTube channel. Now I'm just type escape colon and WQ, and now you can see at this time I'm refreshing. So Control C, and I'm just opening incognito. So कहाँ पर चेंज हुआ गाइस? ये देखिए गाइस, यहाँ पर ऊपर चेंज हो गया. Welcome to my ICCP Infotech. Now I'm again edit this file. Just a minute. Now I'm just type the here i4 insert, and now type the welcome to India. India escape colon WQ, and now refresh it. Got it the point, guys? Everyone? So Ravi, is it clear the use of the Docker Compose? So the Docker Compose is simply the YAML file. तो आप एक YAML file layman language में लिख सकते हो. So it's when you create the Docker Compose, you are using the YAML file. Vipul, Rabinder, Kavalpreet, is it clear? Any question related to this, guys? So today I'm just finished the session, and to next class in the coming weekend in the